Hey everyone, welcome to Everything Cooks. Today we're going to make mini apple pies, or you can call them apple turnovers. Pretty simple recipe. All you need is some puff pastry sheet. We have some cinnamon sugar, some brown sugar. We have some apple pie filling, and then we need some butter here melted. So let's go ahead and just get right into this. I've cut out 3 nice circles here. Now you don't have to make these a perfect circle. You can make them triangles, squares, whatever type you want that you can close up. But I just wanted it to look nice here. And I've got the topping out of the can. The only thing that's in there is that. We like to add a little bit of brown sugar to this. So I got 1 tablespoon here. And I'm going to go ahead and just get that mixed in. I have this all mixed up nice. Now we're ready to fill. First thing we have to do is just get butter around all the edges. And we can go ahead and fill them. Remember that you're going to fold these in half, so you don't want to fill them overly full. Keep your butter out, we're going to need that at the end. But right now we can go ahead and close these. So we're going to wrap around them. You can stretch a little bit if you need a little bit more room. And then we're going to get down and crimp. And if a little bit squeezes out here and there, it's okay. Now they are ready for the oven. We're going to cook them 30 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. They're done cooking and we can do our last step. We're going to brush them all in butter on just the top. You can do it on top and bottom if you want. I just do it on the top. And then we'll throw some cinnamon sugar on top. And here is our final product. So good and tasty. You can see how plump and full they are. I will go ahead and cut one open for you guys. But you got to try this. Super simple to make and super tasty. Guys, have any questions, leave them below. We'll see you next time. And let me go ahead and show you one cut in half.